In this video, we're going to be checking out the best portable grills for camping that you can buy today. There's nothing like cooking your favorite food on the grill. But what about when you are camping or on the road? Portable grills give you the flavor you love with the convenience of a grill you can take along in an RV or car, to a tailgate or when car camping. The best camping grills are truly portable. Our team of camping experts have spent hours researching and testing portable grills. These are listed in order based on performance, quality, and price, and there is an option for every type of camper. So if you're looking for portable grills for camping, we'll have the product for you in this list. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which are in your budget range. Now, let's get on with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Cuisinart CGG 180T Petit Gourmet Portable Propane Gas Grill. The Cuisinart Petit Gourmet is portable, lightweight, and easy to carry with one hand. Its legs tuck in nicely when closed, which makes it among the easiest products we tested to transport. The Petit Gourmet is one of the most convenient to carry on the list. You'll find yourself reaching for it before every camping trip. The PG puts out 5,500 BTU, so it isn't incredibly powerful, but it does grill evenly and efficiently. This stove does well as an occasional use product for tailgating, camping, picnicking, or RVing, all for a few people. Given durability concerns, it may not be well suited for more regular use such as an apartment patio. After several uses, the inside of the lid was charred black, and the lid latch became fussy. Several customer reviews reported instances where when used on a regular basis on high output mode, the plastic parts melted. Overall though, this grill is great. We love it. It's fast and light. Seriously, this stove is a grab and go, and it takes about 2 minutes to set up. It's reliable and easy to use, and its versatility is awesome. It can be a tabletop or standalone grill. It can even be something in the middle if your unique grilling situation calls for it. It's also fuel efficient. The pros are, it's lightweight. It's easy to carry and clean. The legs can stay folded or extend into 2 different heights. And it's fuel efficient. However, it doesn't grill super hot. The lid latch can be finicky, and it can be slightly unstable if not on a solid level surface. This is a great portable grill that is super easy to use, although it can be finicky and isn't good for regular use, so it comes in at number 5 on the list. And at number 4 is the Eureka Gonzo Grill Portable 3-in-1 Camping Stove. The Eureka Gonzo is in some ways the smallest grill on the list. In the compact package, it packs more than satisfactory cooking performance for 1 or 2 diners, and some unique versatility. Notably, the Gonzo grill transforms between a grill, griddle, and stovetop. Cooking performance is more limited than one of the bigger and more purpose-built grills, but the portability and versatility may endear it to you. When your menu is predominantly grilled and your space is limited, the Eureka might be the only stove you need to bring. This is a compact car camper's dream. It grills right with the best of them for small groups. Additionally, it can be configured to cook food and heat water in your regular pots and pans. Finally, with an accessory hose, you can use one fuel source to power both the Gonzo grill and a jet boil stove for hot water. This is a clever product. It is small, effective, and can be configured to do multiple tasks for you. It has its quirks, like finding a cooler spot on a round grill is problematic, like yurt dwellers trying to send their naughty children to sit in a corner, and it is too small for groups larger than 2. As long as you understand the limitations, the Eureka Gonzo grill might be for you. The pros are, it's small and versatile, and because of the round shape it heats evenly. However, it requires 2 hands to carry, and the round shape leaves little room for different temperature zones. This is a great compact stove, so if your space is at a premium, then this could be the grill for you. The third product on our list is the Coleman RoadTrip 285 Portable Stand-Up Propane Grill. If you're looking for a great cooking and easily portable grill for your trips and picnics, the Coleman RoadTrip grill might just be right up your alley. There's a good reason why this compact propane grill is a real crowd pleaser. It's perfect when you're away from home and need to cook for a crowd. Coleman is known for their high-quality camping products, and they applied this expertise in designing this grill. It's extremely portable, easy to use, quick to set up or disassemble, and includes quick fold legs for when you don't have a flat surface. The Coleman RoadTrip 285 has 3 burners and a 285 square inch grilling area, which is enough for about 14 burgers. It uses a 1-pound propane cylinder. This is a reliable and versatile portable grill that's an excellent choice if you want to cook somewhere other than home. What we have here is an affordable, portable, small-sized grill that's an excellent choice for any outdoor cooking occasion. Perfect for camping and traveling, the Coleman RoadTrip 285 offers enough grilling space to comfortably feed your entire family. The pros are: it's easy setup, it's portable. It has a push-button ignition for matchless lighting. It has a large cooking surface for a portable grill with a range of grilling power. However, it's not as sturdy as full-size grills, and it's underpowered compared to full-size grills. This grill is great. It has 3 burners, so the things that you are grilling does not cook unevenly. It is easy to assemble and portable, so a solid choice. Remember that we have the links in the description for all the products mentioned on this list, so don't forget to check them out. And at number 2 on the list is the Cuisinart CGG 340 Chef-Style Roll-Away Portable Gas Grill. This grill has a built-in stand that elevates it to a comfortable cooking level. You'll be able to more easily grill on the go or simply free up space at home when it is not in use. Despite wielding a space-saving design, Cuisinart's new foldable grill manages to pack 20,000 BTU of cooking power. Heat is distributed via 2 stainless steel burners that are ready to sear meat and vegetables. This unit is powered by propane, so you'll need to carry a tank when traveling. Underneath the grill, you'll find a stand that can conveniently lift the cooking surface up to your height. Integrated springs aim to make this a near-effortless task. There is also the added benefit from 2 stainless steel tables on either side that should come in handy each and every time you grill a meal. The pros are: it has a matchless ignition. It's very durable. It is convertible to RV propane if you need it, and it's dishwasher safe. However, it's not safe for kids or pets to get around because it gets so hot, and the grill has no built-in thermometer. This foldable grill boasts a clean and premium design that can collapse to take up a lot less space when not in use. It's easy to use and grills food really well, but some users noted that the latch that secures the lid might melt during high-temperature use. And the best portable grill for camping is the Solo Stove Modern Grill Ultimate Bundle. The Solo Stove Grill is different from other portable grills. It uses what it calls 360-degree airflow technology to create a convection cooking environment. This lets airflow in specific patterns throughout the grill, heating up faster and using less charcoal than at traditional grills. The upside of this design is that it's set it and forget it. Say goodbye to fiddling with vents, and you'll never have to worry about whether you got the settings right. It will always create ideal searing conditions, so all you have to concentrate on is flipping your burgers and pulling them when they're finished. The other bonus of the Solo Stove Grill is it can be used with multiple fuel sources. Most grills are designed to work with lumped charcoal or briquettes only. Both types of charcoal work well on the Solo Stove Grill, but you can also use wood or wood chunks if you prefer. This is a portable grill. It comes with a carrying case, and it's easy to remove the grill from the stand and transport it to your favorite beach or tailgating setting. The pros are: it's bigger than most portable charcoal grills. It cooks effectively with direct and indirect heat, and the bundle includes everything you need. However, there are no handles on the grill, and the stand is relatively short. Overall, we were extremely impressed with the Solo Stove Grill's performance on both direct and indirect heat cooking. It was easy to use and store, quick to ignite, and created delicious tasting food. And it creates a great fire pit for camping. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you like this video and help you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.